So why aren't you running gauges in your vehicle?
Is it because you don't think you need to, or because the installation of them feels a little too complicated?
Having a set of gauges that are monitoring your engine in the background and will sound a loud audible alarm when something is wrong can be the difference between a quick part replacement or an engine rebuild that could cost you thousands.
Now, just because your car has factory gauges doesn't mean they'll alert you to all of its problems. That sneaky temp gauge will slowly creep up into the danger zone before you've had a chance to notice, and before you know it, you're stuck on the side of the road with the bonnet up. So to stop this from happening, install some gauges. JRP has a wide range of gauges that can monitor all the important things that can otherwise lead to a bang. If you have a turbo diesel, monitoring the EGT, water temp and oil pressure is a must, as well as the boost pressure so you can get giddy when you see your engine hit full boost.
For you guys with automatics, transmission temp is another huge one to be keeping an eye on. And for petrol four-wheel drives or street or track vehicles, it's the same deal. Monitoring your oil and water temp, oil pressure and air fuel ratios are all smart ideas to protect your engine. Vehicle monitoring gauges are the guardian angel to your pride and joy. So when you can install a set that won't break the bank and will alert you when things are about to go bad, there really isn't any reason why you should allow your vehicle's engine to go bang.
Automotive gauges aren't overly complicated to install, and if you've swung a spanner before and done some basic wiring on your vehicle, you pretty much have all the skills you need, and you'd be surprised what you can install yourself with enough time and determination. And for those people that just aren't mechanically inclined, any decent mechanic can slap in a couple of gauges quickly.
So don't be that fella on the side of the road who let his engine go bang. Give yourself peace of mind by getting yourself a quality set of performance gauges from the team at Just Race Parts. So Liam and I have been using the JRP gauges for 3 years without fault, and in my 80 series Land Cruiser, I use the Edge 52mm range of gauges to monitor my boost, EGTs and water temps, and the innovative color pre-warn feature has meant that I've never let my engine get too hot.
I use the 14-in-1 multi-gauge in my turbo diesel Patrol, which allows me to monitor all of my engine parameters in one clear and compact display. The 14-in-1 also offers temperature readouts in Celsius and Fahrenheit, and the Edge 52mm is actually soon to receive Fahrenheit as well. So for our USA viewers, you can use JRP gauges too. JRP is also well known for their outstanding after-sales support. They have a dedicated team of automotive techs that you can talk to over the phone or messenger for one-on-one support or any troubleshooting questions that you may have, and this can be done before or after the install of your gauges. JRP also ships fast and affordably worldwide with DHL Express, and it's even faster if you're in Australia just like we are. Just Race Parts is an established Australian-owned and operated brand with thousands of happy customers worldwide whose vehicles are fully monitored and protected just like ours.